What's going on, boys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to turbo farm in Season 5. Now I know there's a lot of different methods on how to do this, but this is just a method that works for me. So I'm going to share it with you guys, and hopefully it works for you guys as well. But here we go. This is how to turbo farm in Season 5. I'm going to show you guys what to keybind, how to keybind it, and what to do. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So if you guys were here last season, you guys know that the way to turbo farm was you guys would basically bind an emote to the right mouse click, and then you would farm emote, and then the emote would cancel out the farming animation, and then you could just farm again. Unfortunately, this season, if you do that, the emote actually doesn't stop. The emote continues to emote, and you can't. Ooh, Llama 210. And you can't continue with the turbo farming. So now what I've done is I've bound my crouch key as my shift. So basically, if you go over here, you go to your key bindings. Let me see if I can find crouch. Where's crouch? Crouch. See, it's my one thumb mouse button for certain situations, but we're gonna focus on the cap locks right here. So basically, I just have it right over my run key. So when I go to farm, I crouch and then I press jump. So it basically uncrouches me, and this action breaks apart the emoting. Like watch. I'll emote right now. Watch. I'm pressing emote and then I'm doing it, and then it cancels it out. So I'm pressing the emote, but it's not doing it. See? So anyways, so that's how you do it. So now what you gotta do is when you farm, emote, and then crouch up and down. Right? So here comes the storm shit. Well, anyways, boys, that's pretty much the tutorial. It's really easy, and there is a bit of a rhythm to it. So once you get the rhythm down, it'll become really easy, and you can just, you know, do it in any situation. Sometimes you're gonna mess up the order and jump instead of crouch, and that's fine because it'll still work. So you can still turbo farm in Season 5. It's just not as easy as it used to be. And I see, like, I got stuck there. Seeing that sucks because it makes you go through the whole animation without letting you go. But anyways, if you ever see that your guy's about to emote, I would just spam jump a little bit, to just for the sake of trying not to die and getting stuck in that. Just spam jump and it should let you out of the emote, but sometimes you're too far in it and it won't let you out. But anyways, that's basically how you turbo farm this season. It's not that bad, and it's definitely better to do when you're not around people, like you're not worried about people coming up on you. Like, I just heard a rift open up, so maybe that's me right now. But anyways, if you're not around people, it's definitely easy to do. But if you're just like on the run or like trying to get away from someone, I wouldn't recommend doing it because you can't really move. It's hard to move while you do it. So anyways, fellas, that's how you turbo farm in Season 5. I hope it helped you out, and if it did, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you are new. And follow me on Twitter, join our Discord, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. I'll leave all of that in the description below and maybe on the screen as well. But with that being said, I will see you guys next time, and I look forward to our next hanging out, our next interaction. Anyways, goodbye.